Hello everyone, welcome and thank you. We are SD English Academy and today's video we are sharing simply how you can send a group email, especially when you are working at professional working environment by using your mobile Gmail app itself. So let's go to the video and to see how it is done. First, open up the Gmail app on your mobile phone and sign into your Gmail account. Now, when you sign in to create the new email, simply tap on this cross icon on bottom right side of your screen to compose a new email. Now, to send the group email, it means you are sending to more than one recipient. Type the email address here of the main recipient to get her or his main attention and the action. And then click on this little arrow at the bottom to bring up the CC and the BCC. And CC means simply means carbon copy, BCC means blind carbon copy. So the carbon copy, you can put the email address of the person you are wish to send a copy of this email for their information. Just like that. And also you can put BCC and you can put few contacts there. Just like that. But in the blank carbon copy, that the users will not know that the email has been sent to all the other members in the group. So before we compose in the email, we need to put a subject to the email. So let's put like company profit or loss. Okay, now guys, we are going to compose the email. So let me teach you to send the profit or loss statement for a particular month which reflects your monthly performance of the company to your finance manager and or the finance director. Let's see how it is done. Dear manager or dear director, here with the attach profit or loss statement for the month of April 2020 and kindly confirm the overhead to deposit the account. Please contact me for any clarification. After that, you can conclude the email. Eventually, you can put your name. So in order to attach the PDF like profit or loss account, click on the pin option of your screen and select the attach file and choose the PDF statement from your file. just like that. Here we go, profit or loss account. So when you're done, just click on the send option, send arrow option, which is in the top of your screen. So it's as simple as that, how to write an email in the Gmail, is in the Gmail app on your smartphone. So thank you for watching our video. Click subscribe button if you were enjoyed. Bye bye.